Courtyard by Marriott in Long Beach, downtown. It's a quick little room tour. This is a 2-queen room, standard. Nice headboard with the mural on the back of it. And you got your Holy Bible and also the Book of Mormon. Close that up. So it's got a place for your suitcase, microwave, small fridge, does the job, 2 drawers, nice size TV, nice chair to do work on, power outlet with USB, light switch here for the ambient light, desk lamp, full size mirror, coffee pot, some rather expensive water, not sure if my camera's not focusing there. Another chair in the corner, and this room actually comes with a balcony. Not very big. Give you a little bit of a view here. We'll come back into the room. Digital thermostat. Leave the bathroom for later. So decent sized closet. Got your ironing board. Iron in the corner. And you got your safe. And a whole lot of hangers. Well, check out the bathroom. Got a sliding door here. And not your traditional layout for a bathroom, but works. Hair dryer. Corner sink, and a full standard shower. So that is Courtyard by Marriott in Long Beach, downtown.